Okay. Eventually we will get this right.
Soundstripe.
My name is Leah Michelle. Welcome to my channel. Today's video will be me creating a floating nightstand. I had limited space next to my bedside and I tried to maximize it. I'm trying to live a more minimalist night lifestyle. Yeah. As you follow along with my channel, you'll notice that I'm not very minimalist. But this channel will motivate me to clean out some of my spaces and design them in the fashion that they need to be designed in. I'm not a professional designer. I'm just a lady who can see the beauty in ugly things. So follow along with me in my rental and let's make somebody who would be interested in this video, share it. So click like, smash that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, and comment below. Alright, let's get into this video. Okay, I'm back with the Bondo. If you can hear me, it's because I'm wearing a mask. I'm using this car Bondo because this is what I've had in my stash. And so I'm going to use it up. Like I said, I'm using what I have, I'm working with what I have. I'm not going out buying anything new. I've had this poplar wood for about 6 months. Just in my stash, and so I'm going to use this. You take your Bondo and you have to work with this stuff like really quick or it'll dry up on you. So don't mix a whole lot at one time because then you'll end up wasting the product. Here's the second part. It's a cream hardener. Add a little to it. I don't know exactly how much, but my ratios have been pretty consistent on this. I mean, I don't know how much to add. I just add the hardener. And then once I get it nice and mixed together, with no marbleization, because when you put the two colors together you start to see a marble pattern. I just put them together and mix them up. I did have an old card somewhere. I just started mixing this. Too late to be misplacing stuff, girl. Too late to be misplacing. Because I don't want this stuff to harden up on me. I do have a fan going. I am inside today working in my empty dining room because I'm in the middle of trying to put my house and mind back together. That might sound. And fill in these cracks. Get them all filled in. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Nope. There we go. There we go. Get these
cracks all filled in. And all of this is sandable. Sometimes with Bondo, it'll start to expand and you'll be left with air pockets. If that happens, just go back and after you sand it the first time, just go back and fill them in again. Sometimes I like to do it real heavy and just sand it down, but sometimes you still get air pockets. See how it's hardening already? Yeah, you have to work really quick with this stuff, especially the auto kind. Like, I don't know how the wood kind is, Bondo wood filler is. I haven't had an opportunity to work with it yet. This auto filler really hardens up really quick. See how it's hardening? Yeah, and it can get real messy. And it can be really toxic. So I'm gonna finish filling these holes in and I'll be back. Okay, I'm taking a break from all the sanding and everything. I thought I was filming, but I really wasn't. So I've done many projects in my home, and some of them turned out really nice, some of them didn't. But you know, that's the thing about life. Everything doesn't turn out the way you want it to, but sometimes you just have to roll with it. Sometimes you'll be in the process and the process doesn't turn out doesn't look like how you want it to, but if you just keep on going, then the end results usually turn out okay, sometimes really nice, but that's just life. You have to keep on going. If you like my content so far, ask that you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment below, and hopefully you'll come back for my next video. Also, if you'd like to see more content to help me out, click the link below and buy me a coffee. I love coffee. Today I'm using Krylon Color Max. It's an acrylic paint. It's acrylic latex paint. I've never used this before, but I've had it in my stash for a while, and so I want to paint this project black, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. It's a small can. You can get it like Lowe's, maybe even Home Depot. I know Walmart sells Krylon products, but I got this at Lowe's. I'm 99% sure I got it at Lowe's because Lowe's is the closest hardware store, big box store, whatever you want to call it, to me. So we're just gonna paint this black because I have a lot of black elements in my room where this is going, and also black helps to hide the imperfections. You have a project, paint it a dark color, helps to hide the imperfections. Yeah. So let's get to paint.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Oh, the lights playing games.
Soundstripe.
On all the counters and window panes. Sun is bright, it's a new day, and I feel brand
Soundstripe.
new. All the winter is gone.
it is, exactly how I envisioned it. I made a couple of boo-boos on it, but hey, we're not going to even worry about that. Don't worry about that purple doorknob or the baseboards that need painting and my floor. This whole room is a work in progress, but this was just one project that I needed to complete. I got my iPad manifestation journal, my budgeting journal, and my book I read at night. Underneath, I wanted something just real simple. Yeah, it's little, but you know, my Alexa, my little jewelry tray. Thank you, Alexa. And my watch stand, my watch charger, earbuds holder, and my phone charger on the nightstand, my little plant. I put this mirror up here just to see how it would look. The pendant light, I'm liking that because I don't have a lamp on the nightstand cluttering it up. And I get plenty of light at nighttime. Well, I do have a... Wait, hold on. So, yeah. There you go. Yep. My nightstand project complete. And this is the end of the video. If you haven't liked, comment, subscribe, I would enjoy that. And if you'd like to see the rest of my room renovation, my bed is made up because I try and do that every day, but you know, it's a work in progress, you know. My bag on the floor. I was supposed to go out of town this weekend, but that didn't happen. You know, my daughter and her chalk art, which I can't bring myself to remove. I'm gonna have to figure out something, maybe get some photos of it and turn it into a piece of hanging art and possibly put it above the bed once I get the room painted. But yeah, I really like how everything turned out. So go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and leave a comment below. Thanks for coming to my channel, and I hope to see you again. Get it right, girl. Hello, everyone. Floating night shelf. Night shelf. Today's video is I'm creating a floating nightstand. I have very limited space next to my bed, and I wanted to create something that didn't take up a lot of space and that wouldn't allow me to have a lot of clutter next to my bed. So if you're interested, and if you're interesting, hey, we're all interesting. If you're interested, godly. Hello everyone, my name is Leah Michelle. Welcome to my channel. Today's video will be me creating a DIY, yeah, floating nightstand. The space next to my bed is very small, and I have very limited area to work with. So this room will be getting a complete makeover. But the first project in this room, well, no, not the very first. The very first project was me cleaning it out. But the first DIY comments, don't like what you see, leave it in the comment box below. But what I'd like to but most of all, if you'd like to leave a comment, leave me a comment, giving me words of encouragement so that I can keep going. This is actually my very first YouTube video. If you like to support my channel, you can buy me a coffee, and that link is in the if you like what you see on my channel, you can buy me a coffee to help promote my channel and help me continue to bring you guys content by buying me a coffee. Legitimately, please buy me a coffee. And my coaster stuck to the bottom of my cup because I love coffee. It is now, I don't even know what time it is. I'm filming this intro at 9:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. And yeah, I'm drinking coffee. And as soon as I finish editing this video and filming this intro, I will be going to sleep. So let's get into the video because I think I've taken up enough of your time. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Leah Michelle, and I create DIY and I love design. I'm not a professional designer, but I can see things that are ugly, and I can see things that are ugly. I sure can. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Leah Michelle, and I don't even know what my channel name is. What? Okay. I don't create. I do DIYs and design. In a lot of my videos, sometimes I see the beauty in ugly things, and I like to bring that beauty out. Get a nightstand that will maximize the maximize the amount of space that I had next to my bedside. Let me drink some coffee. Yeah.